Okay guys, dito tayo sa labas. Papakita ko sa inyo yung problema ng Ford Explorer. So last time nagbakasyon dito yung ate ko, nagre-reklamo. Sabi, ba't ang ingay? Yan, yung road noise. So nanggagaling yung road noise ng Explorer. Yung seal niya dito, no? So windshield, nadudurog na yung goma, oh. Nadudurog, naghiwalay, wala nang seal actually. So binili namin to bago noong 2018. 2018 Ford Explorer. Ito 2017 Ford Expedition. Buo pa yung goma, matibay pa yung goma. Yan, dapat selyado pa. Sana i-recall ng Ford to, pero at least minor. Yun lang nakakainis. Kasi para maayos mo to, kailangan palitan mo yung buong panel. So pag magdi-DIY ka, bibili ka sa eBay or Amazon, around $200. Pag sa dealer, 500 to 1,000 siguro to, kasi tatanggalin pa yung wiper, nadudurog. So linisan ko muna, then balik ako din. Okay guys, I removed the rotted rubber part, one piece. I use a knife on the middle. Okay, now we need to clean it up. Okay, there is an old toothbrush and soap to clean this. Okay, installing it. Hi guys, looks like it's gonna work. So this is the rubber seal that you buy. Just insert it. Okay. Now the problem is we don't have a seal here. That's why I bought another one. With 3M tape. Okay, came with these two wipes, adhesion promoter. So remember, we're gonna replace that. Fix it, but there's a gap. Okay, we need to clean the surface before. Okay. Also clean this thingy magics. Go to the other side and repeat the process. You can also use alcohol and paper towel. Ready. Okay, so this is the plan. I bought this double-sided seal with double tapes, 3M tapes. So The first one, the first layer, is just press fit. So we need to fill in the gap, this gap right here. Okay, so it will cover that gap. That's the idea. I think it's gonna work. Halfway through. Look at my ceiling. OMG guys, I think I did it. Look at the finish. Oh, I think this is why YouTube is created, to help other people figure out how to fix things like this. So instead of replacing the whole panel, I just replaced the rotted rubber part of that panel. I did it two parts, one that was just press fit inserted, and then the other one with 3M tape to stick on the glass. It looks tough if you ask me. And I still have some leftovers. I think I'm gonna just reseal this side. See, it's also rotting away, but look at what I did. Wow. Okay, this is not perfect, but better than before, better than driving with this, sealing your windshield. So I think I paid around 20 bucks for this. One rubber was $7, the other was, I think this was 12, because it came with 2 rolls. That's extra, but 1 roll is enough. Even the side, I'm gonna fix the side also. So how to fix your windshield rubber seal, especially on the Ford Explorer, for less than 20 bucks. This is not perfect, but I like it. I like it. I like it a lot as compared to this. Let me know what you think, guys. And I'm also gonna use this for this side. I hope this helps other Ford Explorer users or owners, or similar cars with other cars with similar problems. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay guys, tinesting namin itong kotse. Punta kami sa downtown Houston, no? Napansin talaga namin yung pagkakaiba. Wala na yung ingay dito sa windshield. Wala na. So effective.